You are going to love the 2020 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.